Hey guys, Alkali Lake here, and I'm here to talk about my Dr. Boom Mad Genius build. I'm in the TwitchCon 2019 cosplay contest. I am one of the 16 finalists, and I see that a lot of leather-looking shoulder pauldrons are used in design work, and sometimes people just default to using foam or Worbla, when really you can still get that nice formed look that foam or Worbla does, but still have the leather texture. So one thing I did here was take like a crushed leather. It's not quite a pleather. It's what they use when they take remnants of leather, crush them together, and then shape them into leather sheets. The backing on it is like a felt. So I bought that at Joann's, and it's pretty affordable since it's not real leather, and it didn't come with the quilted golden look like Dr. Boom has in his pauldrons. So one thing I did do was run them on a sewing machine and map out the pattern with a really, really nice embroiderer's golden thread to give it that look just like in the photo. And then I made sure to cut out the pieces of foam in the right shape. So you can see in this video that I took 2mm craft foam, held it up to my shoulder, found the right shape, and then made sure to cut out that craft foam in 4 separate pieces, which is what I'm doing here in the video. Once I made sure to have the right shape of the craft foam, I glued the shapes onto the leather, and that was done 4 different times. I used DAP Weldwood cement, which is my favorite. It's a contact cement, and you add it to the fabric first and then add it to the 2mm foam. Make sure that the DAP Weldwood cement has time to cure, just takes about a minute. Then you can connect the 2 pieces together. One thing you could see in the video is that I put it in random cups or different things that I had. Once you heat up the foam to get the right shape, you're gonna want to make sure that you can get it to cool in that position. I don't always have as much time as I'd like, so I made sure to, stick it in a cup or something so it can cool in that shape. Here you see me cutting 3/4 inch foam strips, which I then beveled the edges, scarred up a little bit, cut into a little bit, and heated up. I then bent them into a slightly curved shape ahead of time, so I would have time to shape that over the pauldrons. So that is just 4mm foam that I got from TNT Cosplay Supply. Each of those pauldrons needed trimmed in that 3/4 inch foam to give it that nice edged golden look like you see in the photo. I made sure to take time to cut into it like you can see in the image there and give it some nice damaged effects. I repeated this 4 times for all of the pauldrons. If you have any questions about foam and its densities and thicknesses, you can always join my stream on Twitch to find out how to work with it. Here you see me testing the shape. Each pauldron is a set of 2 actually, so I had to make 4 just to get 2 shoulder pieces. And I check these over my shoulders just to make sure that they are appropriate. And I will glue them together, which is something I've done after the completion of this video. And they will then attach to the cape. The cape has a hood on it and a back, which you'll see later in this video in just a moment. And the pauldrons will attach to that. The art for Dr. Boom is by Matt Dixon up in the upper left-hand corner. And then the other art that you'll see pop up here shortly is by David Kaeg, both artists for Blizzard. So I wanted to make sure I referenced their work. And I'm really happy with this result. So it's just a crushed leather with a felt backing on top of 2mm craft foam and trimmed in 4mm craft foam. Once again, if you want to learn more about how to do this, follow me on Twitch where I craft regularly. Thank you. Another reminder, this video was filmed on Twitch, which is why the setup looks the way it does. If you love content like this, please subscribe and like this video and I'll create more for you. Until then, I will keep working on Dr. Boom. See you soon.